How to create rules in Outlook. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in outlook.live.com. Search for it. Now Outlook will be opened. Find the mail for which you want to create the rule. Right-click on that particular email. You can see various options. Click on the option Rules. Click on the option Create Rule. Click on this option for more options. Now you'll be able to create the rule. At first, you'll be able to see the name of your rule. It will be written by default. You can simply erase it and enter the name yourself. You can add a condition over here. Click on this field. Now you can select the condition. You can find the options like from, to, emails received for others, etc. etc. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now simply click on the field. If you selected the option for from, to, emails received for others, you'll have to enter the mail over here. So simply go ahead and enter the mail. Now select an action. Click on the field of action. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the action of your choice. Now once you do that, you can also add another condition, add another action and add an exception over here. Once you do that, what you have to do is click on the save option that you can see on the screen. After that, the rule will be added. Like this, you can create rules in Outlook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.